What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY rice water deep conditioner that's super creamy, super smooth, and it just glides onto your hair strands. Not to mention, this rice water deep conditioner also promotes growth and adds shine to your curls. And here you can just see me packaging them up into little 4-ounce jars. So here's the exact formula for the rice water deep conditioner, and you could take a screenshot here in case you want to make this recipe yourself. And if you don't, I do have extra available, and you could just click the link in my bio to get a rice water deep conditioner for yourself. So first you want to weigh out 226 grams of rice water, and then after that you're going to want to go ahead and weigh out some distilled water. And you want to make sure that it's distilled because it's the purest form of water and it'll prevent any sort of growth within your deep conditioner. Now you're going to want to weigh out 33.91 grams of panthenol. And panthenol is perfect for your hair because it adds shine, it also adds that slip and nourishment that every conditioner should have, especially a deep conditioner. Next, you're going to want to add some glycerin, which will help you retain that moisture within your curl strands. And I'm adding 33.99 grams of glycerin to be exact. After you add your glycerin, you are done with your water phase. So round of applause. You just want to give it a little stir, and then you're done with phase A, the water phase. Now we're going to move on to phase 2, which is the oil phase, and you want to make sure you're using a separate container. And I'm going to weigh out about 67 grams of BTMS 50, which is going to act as our emulsifying agent, which would help combine the liquid ingredients with the oil ingredients. BTMS 50 also has conditioning properties, which will also help when making a deep conditioner. After, you're going to want to add 22.66 grams of cetearyl alcohol. So this is not to be confused with isopropyl, which dries the hair out. This actually adds nourishing benefits to your conditioner. So it helps to smooth the strand, and it also helps to add detangling properties as well. Then you're going to want to weigh out about 22.66 grams of shea butter, and then add about 45.32 grams of grapeseed oil. The grapeseed oil and the shea butter are both rich in fatty acids, which again will help nourish your hair strands. And then once you're done weighing out the shea butter, the grapeseed oil, and the rest of ingredients in your oil phase, you're going to want to put both the oil phase and the water phase into a hot water bath and boil it for about 20 minutes just to disinfect your ingredients. And after you're done boiling it, you want to make sure that it's fully melted, and then combine the oil phase and water phase, and make sure to thoroughly mix in the phases so that way there's no issues with emulsifying the water and oil-like ingredients. Once you're done mixing it, you're going to want to go ahead and place it in the fridge so that way it could thicken up, and while it's cooling down, weigh out your preservative. And I'm using Luicidal SF Complete, which is a completely natural preservative. And weigh out your scent that you're using as well. I'm using a cake scent. Then whisk both of those into your deep conditioner little by little to make sure that it's evenly dispersed throughout all of your deep conditioner. If you made it all the way to this step, congratulations, you've made your rice water deep conditioner. Now, since it is a natural preservative, I would recommend storing this deep conditioner in the fridge just to prevent any mold or any bacteria from growing in it, and using it up within 30 days. Although Luicidal SF Complete is a really good preservative, active between pHs of 3 and 8, still want to take those cautions and just make sure that you're using a clean, safe product. So I would say just put it in the fridge and use it within 30 days. So here are my all finished results, and if you guys want to purchase this deep conditioner, then hit the link in my bio. I have about 10 of these available.